Hey guys, welcome back. Today I would like to share you how to get the dynamic island on your older iPhone. As you can see here, I have a kind of the same as the dynamic island. Actually, it is a widget, but you can take a look here. It is almost the same. So in order to have it, you need to download the app called Widget. It is free on the App Store, and then you're gonna open it. After you open, you're gonna go into Explore here. And make sure you select on home, and after that you're gonna scroll down a bit. You're gonna eventually find dynamic island. It is right here. Just go ahead and tap on it, and then you're gonna add it into your device. So I'm gonna click on import right there, and after you has been imported, you're gonna go into manage, and then here you're gonna scroll down until you find a medium widget slot. This is the first one that I show you, and then you're gonna scroll down. You're gonna find a medium widget slot. Make sure you select the first one, and then you're gonna select the widget that you have just imported at the moment, and click on the check button. And after that, you're gonna go back here. So now let me remove the widget first, and you're gonna hold on the app icon on the home screen. Go into edit home screen, click on the plus button, and you're gonna search for widget. There we go, select this one and swipe until you find the medium one. This one, click on it, click on add widget, and you're gonna find it right here on my home screen. It looks very awesome. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Then I will see you guys in the next one.